my friend, he just learned how to ride a dirt bike. Like, I taught him, like, last weekend. On the first day, he was only riding first gear. Then that day, we went to this creek that we know, and then it's this big hill climb. Then over the hill climb, yeah, he just crashed. Then over the hill climb, there's like, wait a second. What the heck? I didn't get that. Dang it.
Or what?
I didn't get it.
Get what?
I was saying how you just learned how to ride this dirt bike and how bad you're doing. Dude, he can't even freaking walk.
Dude, I put it.
So he's crashed a couple good times.
I put it in the
And this is, he's just laying on the ground. By the ways, I'm Ryan. That's John David. He goes by JD. Anyways. So, yeah, he just crashed my dirt bike.
Yeah.
It's a pit bike, pretty much, yeah. And my buddy's got a Honda XR 100 over there, if you can see it.
Nice.
Like,
Golly, your bike's a bitch.
but yeah. So he crashed. And he screwed up his leg. He ran over that freaking thing right there.
Yeah.
He ran over the wheelbarrow wheel. Why did you crash? You're gonna break this thing someday.
Huh?
He crashes way too much, honestly. So this is the rest of the. This is the end of the video. And there's my dog. That's Ted. I got another little dog named Stuffy. Hey,
Hey, bro.
don't hit him with that. Here, put that down in the bushes.
Alright.
But yeah, that's the end.
Over here?
See ya.
Hey, Dad, watch out.